Welcome back to ABC News 4. We are here live in Walterboro. I've got our exclusive legal analyst, South Carolina former Attorney General Charlie Condon. Thank you so much for joining me. We had a jam-packed day today. I know a lot happened at the end, but let's start a little bit earlier in the day. What about this video that they unlocked 9 months after the murders? They were able to finally get into Paul's phone. They see this video. They knew that there could have been a video that existed. Talk to me about what it means. We talked about it in our package. Hopefully you got to watch it in our story at 6. But basically this video, no faces, just voices.
Again,
how do we deal with it?
Paul Murdaugh, he was testifying from his grave today. This cell phone video, it's extremely strong piece of evidence against his father, and the defense was not able to offer any plausible explanation for the defendant being at the kennel, the dog kennel. And the significance of this is if you put together all the evidence that the state's proven thus far, it puts the defendant right at the crime scene, murdering his son just minutes before they could prove. And again, the cell phone evidence showed the timeline, and Maggie Murdaugh testifying from the grave with her cell phone information. It's a very, very powerful case for the state right now. And on top of that, Judge Newman just ruled from the bench.
Right. So let's get there too. I want to talk about this. Literally, another cliffhanger. We get a cliffhanger every day, right? We usually get a cliffhanger at the breaks.
End of the day.
You know.
Yeah, right.
So we get through the cell phone video, and then we think we're going to have just a close to the day, and then tell me what happened, Charlie.
Prosecutor Waters asked a question. There was a bit of opening the door. The defense was going to be, or is, this is so unthinkable. Happy family. How could anyone even imagine the defendant killing his son and his wife? It's just unthinkable. A little bit of what one would call opening the door in terms of evidence rules. And so as it proceeded, Prosecutor Waters, Assistant Attorney General Waters, asked a question: did you know of the last witness of the owing $792,000?
Right. And here we go.
It was in.
Well, and Tara's going to go into this a little bit more at 7 o'clock. But yeah, these financial, you're saying now the financial motives are in there.
And so what's happened is Judge Newman has ruled that 404B, evidence comes in tomorrow, and there's getting to be a Himalayan mountain of evidence against this defendant.
Well, we are going to have a lot more on this in our podcast, Unsolved South Carolina. And Tara is going to be there at 7 o'clock to tell you what this could mean for tomorrow.